Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPCE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis previously, so that is where the green line and red line notations are coming from here. I'm not sure if you can even see the red line. Let me squeeze down the chart here a little bit to make it. There's the red line. If you look very closely at the top there, and here's a couple actually old annotations, so we'll just get rid of these. But moral of the story here is another very solid day, not necessarily in the sense of the price exploded upwards, but the volume is remaining well above average, and that's how things, that's how stocks move, right? You got to have interest. Well, how do you have interest? How do you measure interest? Well, you got to, have good solid volume, and that's exactly what's, remaining the case here. So overall, from the support side of things, first thing I'm going to do is make a little adjustment. And the question becomes, well, what direction is this adjustment being made? And in this situation, now that we have more data, newest level of support and what I would call the ideal level is right up here at $20. And as you saw, I just needed to adjust that green line higher. And assuming you're bullish, assuming you're long, that's what you want to see. It's always a good sign when levels of support need to be adjusted higher and higher over time. And like I said, right there, that's what needed to play out. Now, don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price comes to $20 and breaks below it, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, certainly going forward, if the price can actually stay above the $20 mark, that would be a great sign of strength moving forward. Looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, sure, staying above 20 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of areas of resistance, I'm actually going to use this red line here now that we have more data. And it's very apparent here that the $21 round number is definitely going to be public enemy number one. Several times today, the price has tried to get up above that level, but just has never been able to quite do it. But if it can get the break above 21, got to think that that should bring in some more buying pressure. So we'll see what happens with it moving forward. But all in all, another very nice day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.